Good morning all of you. How are you? Hope you are safe and healthy. Okay. Today we will start off with circulatory system. Do you know what is circulatory system? So, circulatory system, as you know, it is one of the system in the body, human body. There are 9 systems. Out of that, one of the system is circulatory system. What do the circulatory system do? You know that many things have to be transported around our body. Like the oxygen that we are breathing in, first it is going to the lungs, then it has to be gone to each and every cell for respiration. And also the food that we eat, it has to be broken down to smaller nutrients, and then it also must be given to the cells for respiration to get energy. So, who is carrying all these things? And also we have to take away, it is like human body is like a machine, always it is working. So, of course there will be some waste. This waste also must be removed time to time from the cells. So, for all this, we need a system, a transporting system, and that system is known as circulatory system. Okay. Now, what are the components of circulatory system? So, first of all, we finished the definition. Next is the components of circulatory system. There are 3 components. First is a liquid medium that is transporting everything, that is the blood, and the blood is flowing through some special vessels. They are known as blood vessels, and there must be a pumping organ that is known as the heart. So how many components are there? 3 components: blood, blood vessels and heart. Okay. And you know that there are millions of different kinds of human beings. So millions of different kinds of animals are there. So all of them, they do not have the same kind of circulation or circulatory system. Some of them are having single circulation and some are having double circulation. So there are 2 kinds, single circulation and double circulation. As the name indicates, single circulation means it is passing through the heart only once on one complete circuit of the body. That means, I told you, the blood is the medium to transport many materials. So the blood is taking oxygen and then it is given to the heart so that the heart can pump it with high pressure to pass it to all over the body. So single circulatory system means the blood goes to the pumping organ only once on its one complete circuit. And double circulation means the blood enters the heart twice on its complete circulation of the body or complete circuit of the body. Okay. So single circulation example is fish. And double circulation example we can take as, because humans are the highest level of organisms. So humans are having double circulation. Apart from humans, the birds are also having double circulation. The reptiles are also having double circulation. So fish has single circulation. From where the fish is getting oxygen? Since it is living in water, it cannot use its lungs. So it is getting oxygen from the water, and there are some special organs which is extracting oxygen from the water, and that special organs are known as gills. You have heard about gills. So, the fish, first the water is entering into the mouth of fish. You have seen always the fish is opening its mouth. That means water is entering into the mouth of fish. From there it passes through the gills. When it passes through the gills, the oxygen is directly entering into the blood. And through the blood, it goes to all body, and then the deoxygenated blood. So, first it gives the oxygen to all cells, and then it is taking back the carbon dioxide, so we will say it as deoxygenated blood. It is getting back into the gills, or it is getting back to the gills through the heart, and then it goes to gills. So, is it clear? The fish extracts oxygen from the water through gills, and it directly goes into the blood, and the blood circulates the oxygen throughout the body tissues, and from the body tissues it collects the carbon dioxide and goes to the heart. That means the deoxygenated blood enters into the heart, and from the heart it goes back to the lungs. So this is single circulation. So you can see here only once it passes through the heart on its complete circulation. But in humans it is quite different. In humans we are taking in oxygen through the nose. From there it goes to the lungs, and from the lungs it goes to the heart, the pumping organ. From there it goes to the body, and from the body again it goes to the heart and then to the lungs. So how many times the same blood it is entering into the heart? Twice it is entering on its complete circulation. So when the blood goes to the lungs, it takes in oxygen, and then it doesn't have the pressure because our body is big. So it needs a pumping organ to give the pressure so that it goes to the heart on one side of the heart, that we will learn after. And from there it goes to the whole body, and from there it collects the deoxygenated blood, like the carbon dioxide. It will collect the carbon dioxide, and the deoxygenated blood again goes back to the heart, and from there it goes to lungs. So can you say what is the difference between these two? Twice it is entering the heart, but what is the difference, main difference? When it passes from lungs to heart, the blood will be enriched with oxygen, and when it passes from the body to heart to the lungs means it will be enriched with carbon dioxide. So that is the main difference here. So I hope it's clear what is single circulation and what is double circulation. So we have completed the first topic of circulatory system, the definition and the components and the two kinds of circulation, single and double. And the last point is, what is the advantage of double circulation? The advantage is that I told you, since we are organisms with very high volume, or we are big organisms, so that it needs a lot of pressure for the blood to pass through the body. That is why the blood is entering into the heart twice. That means the pumping organ is giving enough pressure, that is to be like for the blood to be circulated around the body. Is it clear? So the notes will be sent to you and it is given as all the objective is given as question and answers, and it will be given to you. And also one more thing, you have to, when you start listening to it, please open page 107 of textbook, your biology textbook.